I know I've said it before, but I'll say it again. Fish is the ultimate fast food. And when I say fast food, I'm not talking about the stuff you pick up at the drive-thru. I'm talking about foods that cook really fast. So let me share with you a fresh tasting skillet dish I think you'll love. To give this a bright, sunny taste, we start by combining some lemon juice, olive oil, chopped shallots, a bit of salt and pepper, and a spoonful of capers. And if you're not familiar with capers, they're actually little flower buds. When they're picked, they're extremely bitter, but when pickled, they mellow and add just the right amount of wow to practically any dish. Okay, now we pan fry some fresh cod or haddock that we've seasoned with a bit of salt and pepper. This takes about 4 minutes aside. Once the fish flakes easily, we spoon the lemon mixture over it, along with some chopped chives. There you go, a protein-packed main dish that's on the table in less than 15 minutes. And as for the taste, the sauce adds a breath of sunshine thanks to the combination of the lemon juice and the capers. To get the recipe for our lemon caper fish fillets, all you have to do is head to our website. If only all meals could be this simple. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a super fast way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.